In front of me is ZTE Nubia Flip 2, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to click Sound and Vibration. Then hit Vibrate here to mute your device completely and leave only vibrations, or select Ring right next to it and tap on one of those options. Vibrate when ringing, or Vibrate then ring. Whatever you decided, when you finished, scroll all the way down to click on Incoming Call Vibration and select one of those patterns, or synchronize it with your current ringtone. You can also hit More Sound Settings and tap on Haptic Feedback here to enable or disable haptic feedback for taps, keyboards and more. If you decided to switch it on, you can also adjust intensity thanks to this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!